A year ago, the person you were is mostly gone, not metaphorically, physically. The skin you had is gone. The blood you had is gone. The cells lining your gut, gone, replaced. And yet, you still wake up believing you are the same person. But are you? Inside you, right now, entire tissues are erasing themselves and regenerating from scratch. Some parts of your body rebuild in days, some take years, and one part never changes. Today, we measure you, from the fastest changing organs to the slowest. Our metric is simple: cellular turnover speed, how quickly your body replaces itself. And by the end of the video, you might start to wonder what actually makes you, you. Rank 1, your intestinal lining. Every 2 to 5 days, it replaces itself almost completely. Your gut is a battlefield. Acid strong enough to dissolve tissue. Mechanical grinding. Trillions of bacteria. If this lining didn't regenerate aggressively, you would digest yourself. You shed roughly 50 million intestinal cells per minute. Per minute. The inside of your gut is younger than the coffee you drank this morning. You are constantly rebuilding the walls of your own survival. Rank 2, your tonsils. Most people think they're useless until they get infected. Your tonsils are lymphoid organs, frontline immune outposts guarding the entrance to your throat. During active immune response, lymphocyte populations inside the tonsils can turn over in as little as 3 to 10 days. Even after surgical removal, tonsillar tissue can partially regenerate. Rank 3, your skin. The surface you show the world. Every 2 to 4 weeks, your epidermis replaces itself. Surface cells die. What you call dust is often you. You shed 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells per minute. Over a lifetime? Nearly 9 pounds of yourself left behind in the air. You are constantly abandoning old versions of your identity. And yet, you feel continuous. Rank 4, your blood. Red blood cells survive roughly 120 days. Then they are dismantled. Every second, your bone marrow produces about 2 million new red blood cells. 2 million per second. If production stops for just weeks, your brain shuts down. The blood inside you right now is not the same blood you had last season. You are a walking factory of oxygen logistics. Rank 5, your lungs. The epithelial lining of your airways typically renews over 2 to 8 months, depending on exposure. The tiny hair-like ciliated cells that clear debris can regenerate, but slowly. And here's the uncomfortable truth. In smokers, this repair cycle slows dramatically. Damage accumulates faster than regeneration. And deeper inside the lungs, in the alveoli where oxygen exchange happens, cellular turnover is even slower. Your lungs repair themselves, but not aggressively. They are resilient, not immortal. Every breath is an exposure event, and every night, while you sleep, your lungs quietly repair the consequences of being alive. Rank 6, the liver. Average turnover, roughly 300 to 500 days. Slower than blood. But here's the shock. Remove up to 70% of a healthy liver, and it can regrow. Over 500 biochemical functions: detoxification, energy storage, protein synthesis, hormone regulation. The liver is biological redundancy. It doesn't panic. It rebuilds. Rank 7, your kidneys. 2 small organs filtering roughly 50 gallons of blood per day. Inside them are microscopic structures called nephrons. Each kidney contains around 1 million nephrons. These are your body's biological filtration units. The epithelial cells lining the kidney tubules can renew over roughly 300 to 500 days. But here's the critical distinction. Nephrons themselves have extremely limited regenerative capacity. Lose enough of them, and they do not come back. Kidney damage often progresses silently. You can lose significant function without feeling it. The organ that purifies your blood is not good at purifying itself. It repairs modest damage, but not catastrophe. Your body can rebuild many things, but it does not rebuild everything. Rank 8, your heart. It beats over 100,000 times per day, over 2.5 billion times in a lifetime. Yet only about 1% of heart muscle cells renew per year in young adults, and that slows with age. Damage the heart severely, and most of that damage stays. The organ that defines life is slow to repair. It keeps beating, even when wounded. Rank 9. Fat cells. Turnover cycle? Roughly 8 years. But here's the uncomfortable truth. When you lose weight, you don't delete most fat cells. They shrink. The number remains largely stable. Your body remembers scarcity. Evolution favored survival over aesthetics. Your fat tissue is ancient memory. It is a biological insurance policy that refuses easy cancellation. Rank 10. Bone. Full skeletal remodeling cycle, about 10 years. Your skeleton feels permanent. It isn't. Specialized cells break bone down. Others rebuild it, continuously, silently. You are walking on a structure that is never finished. Your skeleton is patient, slow, almost geological. There's one organ we didn't rank: the brain. Specifically, the neurons in your cerebral cortex. These are post-mitotic cells. They do not divide like most other cells in your body. Most of them barely regenerate. The neurons storing your memories, your fears, your habits, your voice, largely remain the same for your entire lifetime. Lose them, and they do not return. Now think about that. Your gut rebuilds itself in days. Your skin replaces itself every month. Your blood renews every season. Your liver regrows. Your bones remodel. Even your beating heart repairs. Almost everything in you is being replaced, constantly. So, logically speaking, you are not the same physical person you were last year, not even close. Different cells, different tissue, different matter, and yet you wake up feeling like the same you. If your body keeps replacing itself, if the material keeps changing, then what exactly makes you, you?